right, Kansas, it's been real. The time of the trip, honestly, it was amazing. Amazing catching up with everybody. The hospitality, everything was on point. And very grateful. So thank you. But now it is off to St. Louis and Louisville and hitting up the Bourbon Trail. It's gonna be fun. Need to take a little break from driving. Stopping in St. Louis, here at a place called the Boathouse. Hours to Louisville, almost there, and tomorrow should be the last day before Pennsylvania. Gonna hit up Buffalo Trace, some sweet bourbon. Indiana right now, sunset, it's ridiculously gorgeous. It's beautiful. That's all. Almost in Louisville. Bourbon time. What's up, y'all? All right, I think this is day 9, 10. I don't know. Morning, Louisville. We're gonna take an hour drive to Frankfort, go to Buffalo Trace Distillery. The tours are all booked because of Corona. So I'm gonna have to get back down there and do the Bourbon Trail properly, hopefully in a month. But we're definitely gonna hit up Trace, see what they got. Maybe pick up a few goodies for home. And then we're gonna attempt to go home. About a 10-hour drive. If I'm feeling tired, I'll probably, stop and All right, just parked Buffalo Trace. I don't know if we're gonna be able to swing the tour. I'm gonna try and finagle that as best as possible. But definitely gonna hit that gift shop and try and get some cool things. So let's see what's up. Boom. All right. So apparently 30-40 minute wait for the gift shop, but I think they're letting us booze a little bit, which is exciting. And I'm gonna see again if I can, work some tour magic here. See what happens.
It goes from really sweet. The mash, when it goes in, it tastes like. So earlier I said we found that the OSD distillery, the second one he built, but the big surprise was the bourbon.
Tour's over. That was insane. I bought more stuff because I love Buffalo Trace. This distillery's sick. It's the best. So buy some Buffalo Trace Distillery products and drink immediately. All right, gang. That's that. Buffalo Trace Distillery was amazing. It's been really cool. The tour was amazing. Finagled my way into it for free. Got some tastings. Got some juleps. Got a bunch of merch. Yeah, Buffalo Trace has just been part of my life for the past probably over a decade. Sold a lot of old fashions in that time and just a ton of whiskey. So it's really, this was kind of the icing on the cake to this trip. We started in Vegas with Bobby, my boy Taylor, my road warrior, came with all the way to Wichita, you know, hung in Vegas for a few days. Maisie hit the Strip, Red Rocks, Grand Canyon, Santa Fe, Colorado Springs, then Wichita, met Taylor's sister Lacey, Luna, her pup, got banged up pretty hard, then off to KC, got to see Nicole and her mom and her family, and then St. Louis, I got to see Katie for the first time in 4 years, I think, and then, yeah, I took it into Louisville last night, and then finished up here, in Frankfort at Buffalo Trace Distillery, and I look forward to coming back for the full Bourbon Trail tour, but I really want to get back to PA, so I'm really going to kick into it now. Got about 9 hours to Reading. If I can't do it tonight, I'll stop in probably Morgantown, West Virginia, but yeah, just super grateful that I was able to do this. All right, I mean, Corona sucks, but this was pretty amazing. Peace. Thanks for watching. Losing my mind. Home stretch. Let's go. Yo, yo. We are in West Virginia. So we're getting there. Got a little bit of time ahead of us. I'm kind of 50-50 right now if I'm going to stop or not. I've got a hotel. Getting a little tired, but I'm trying to rally as much as possible. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, definitely just gonna keep on kicking in. But super exciting. I'm almost back in Pennsylvania, which is crazy. So that's awesome. All right, here we go. Boom. guys. So I stayed the night in West Virginia because I was beat. So we got about a 4.5 hour drive back to Reading. But yeah, what a trip. Definitely needed that sleep. So yeah, we'll do some more road footage. Maybe I'll get some food, maybe one last food review. I don't know. I don't know where the day's gonna go, but maybe it'll happen. All right. Alright, road trip food review. I couldn't eat and do this at the same time, but I made the mistake of getting an iced coffee and a McChicken from McDonald's. What happened was instant acid reflux situation, and I don't feel good. Got about 3.5 hours left of this trip, so I can do my best. I'm gonna give that a 1.2. Like most McDonald's food, it's terrible. But it's what's needed sometimes when you're on the road. The iced coffee, you know, that's fine. 5.5. Again, trashy fastballs, you know. The song though that I'm listening to, King of Wishful Thinking. I mean, that's like it's like an 8-9. Solid song. All right, that's that. Road trip food reviews plus bonus song review. Just got into PA, got about, I don't know, hour and a half, something like that, back to Reading, and yeah, coming home, home stretch, let's do it. About 45 minutes left, getting on 78. Yeah, beautiful, clear day. The weather's been great this entire trip. So hopefully that holds up and everything in the back of the truck doesn't get soaked. But yeah, it doesn't look like it's going to. So, check in a few. All right, about 20 miles from home. We got 183 and then 222. Then we're home. And that's that. Pretty exciting, man. Been a great trip today. Great trip so far. Easy peasy.